हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। और मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि आप अपनी सेहत, पढ़ाई और फैमिली का अच्छे से ध्यान रख रहे होंगे। देखिए, ये वीडियो है, ये ऑन डिमांड है। सम स्टूडेंट्स कॉल मी कि सर प्लीज़ वीडियो लेके आइए इस पे। तो ये वीडियो फॉर ऑन डिमांड, ओके। तो सबसे पहले देखिए, स्टील डोर, स्टील गेट्स एंड स्टील शटर। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द मेजरमेंट यूनिट्स and mode of payment. You can see here the measurement units for steel door, gates or shutter, okay. So you can measure in the मीटर स्क्वायर, ओके। मोड ऑफ पेमेंट के, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, केजी में होगा, क्विंटल में होगा, ओके। मटेरियल है ना, तो क्विंटल या फिर केजी में आएगा आपके पास में। आरसीसी कैंटिलीवर जो आपके पास में सनसेट्स होती हैं, उनकी मेजरमेंट क्या करनी है आपको, मीटर क्यूब में। रेनफोर्समेंट आपके पास में पर केजी में आएगा या फिर क्विंटल में, ओके। एंड नेक्स्ट इज वुड वर्क। तो वुड वर्क will be measured in meter square, and door and windows also measure in meter cube. After that, the grunting of the crack. So what do you mean by the grunting? Grunting is actually types of salary, okay. If you mix the some amount of cement and some amount of water, so you will be find a liquid type salary, okay. So this salary will be filled in the cracks, okay. तो मेजरमेंट यूनिट ऑफ द ग्रंटिंग विल बी इन मीटर या फिर रनिंग लेंथ, ओके। एक्सप्लोसिव मटेरियल क्या होता है? एक्सप्लोसिव मटेरियल मीन्स जो विस्फोटक होते हैं आपके पास में, तो केजी पर या फिर क्विंटल में। इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग क्या होती है? इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स, ओके। यू कैन मेजर इन द नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स। ग्लास वर्क इन मीटर क्यूब, सॉरी मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड नंबर ऑफ ग्लास, फिक्सिंग ऑफ ग्लास, ओके, नंबर ऑफ ग्लास। सैनिटरी पाइप एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पाइप in measure in meter, okay. You should be remember that point, because this point is that point is very important for the calculation of any estimation, okay. This should be remember. So percentage of area, first one, percentage of area of painting is increased by 20% for corrugated asbestos cement sheets. What is the corrugated asbestos cement sheet? What do you mean that? This is the actually this is the material. Asbestos is a material, okay, like a cement. तो ये सीमेंट की सीट होती है बेसिकली। जैसे मैंने शो भी किया हुआ है यहाँ पे, ये वाली सीट देखिए, एस्बेस्टस की सीमेंट सीट है ये। तो एरिया जो पेंटिंग का होता है ऑलवेज इंक्रीज बाय 20% इन दैट टाइप ऑफ सीट। द परसेंटेज एरिया ऑफ पेंटिंग इज इंक्रीज बाय 14%। 14% एरिया इंक्रीज करना है फॉर स्टील सीट, ओके। 10% इंक्रीज करना है सेमी कोरुगेटेड सीट। तो सेमी कोरुगेटेड सीट, दिस टाइप ऑफ सीट you can see. And degree of accuracy, what do you mean by the degree of accuracy? First of all, what is the degree means what you want to increase and decrease in the your measurement. If you want to, let's suppose your accurate length is 5 meter, okay. When you measure the length, you will be find 5 point something, okay. Like that, 5.0.01 meter. So there is no will be any issue, a big issue, because you will be allow for the length, this length will be allow for measurement, okay. You can see in this point, number 2, point number 2, length should be measured nearest to 1 centimeter or 0.01 meter actually, okay. So the accuracy for the weight should be measured nearest to 1 kg or 0.01 tons. Area, what do you mean by area? The accuracy in the area will be 0.01 meter square and 100 centimeter square. If you got the if you got the if you got the higher uh, area like that, 0.01 meter square, okay. This is the extra area या फिर this is your error in the measurement. So no issue, no, it's not a big issue, you will be take as a safely. So volume, for volume 0.01 meter square. Woodwork you can take 2 mm, okay. Slab measurement 5 mm, up to 5 mm you can take. So this one is a numerical based on that type of statement. So first of all, see a statement. If the length, width and height of a masonry wall is 12 meter, 30 centimeter and 3 meter respectively, calculate the total amount of plaster work required. Basically, we want to calculate here a plaster work. What is the area for plaster work? We will do the plaster on that area. Okay, you have in this statement the dimension of the wall, so you will be able to calculate the area of the surface. So first of all, you just here just ignore the thickness of the wall, because thickness is not necessary for the calculation of area. Okay, thickness just if you want to do the plaster of any wall, so you take only area, surface area, I mean say that. Okay, so take only area, surface area. So 12 into 3 is equal to 36 meter square for single side. Okay, so what is the 13 is the length, 12 is the length and 3 is the height. So length into my height, you will be find the area. So this one is the 36 and total plaster work for two sides. Okay, so divide multiply by 2, so you will be find 72 meter square. Now come to second numerical C statement. अच्छा एक बात हो रही है यहाँ पे देखिएगा, ये एरिया मैंने निकाल लिया है, अब इस पे मेरे को निकालनी है क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्लास्टर. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द प्लास्टर या फिर क्वांटिटी ऑफ द मटेरियल यू नीड टू डू द प्लास्टर ऑन द वॉल. so how can to calculate that type of material? So first of all, you will calculate the required material for 1 meter. Okay, then you will be multiply by 72, so you will be find the material, total amount of material you need actually on the site. Okay, so first of all, see here is a septic tank having dimension 5 into 4 into 3 meter is provided with a brick lining along the inner side of the tank. Calculate the total area required for lining. So what do you mean that? It means ki you have a septic tank, okay, and you want to inner lining of that type of tank. Okay, so see in this diagram, you have a width 5 meter and this one is 4 meter, the height is 3 meter, and you want to lining inner side. Okay, in the septic tank. So first of all, calculate the area of the wall. You have 4 wall actually, 2 wall of 5 meter width and 4 wall 2 wall for 4 meter width. Okay, so total area you will be fine 54 meter square. So 5 into 3, this one area, this one wall, 5 into 3, this one, both will be added. Similarly for this wall, 4 meter wall, this wall plus this wall. Okay, next one is the statement C statement. A wall contain surface area of 15 meter square along each side. Each means outer and inner side. The opening area between the wall is 2 meter square. Calculate the effective area. So here will be a opening actually. Opening, what do you mean by opening? If you have a wall, okay, and you install a window like okay, so this is the opening, your opening in the wall. So total area 15 into 2, 30 for both side, and opening is 2 meter. So you will be deduct from the 30 minus 2, so you will be find the 28 meter square. Consider the given wall. This is the important question. See, consider the given wall arrangement and calculate total concrete work and total earthwork required for the length of 15 meter. So length is given 15